Friends, welcome back to the my new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to set default font size in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to set guys your default font size, so as you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set default font size. So in this video guys we will talk about how to set default size. So now let's see. First of all guys, open your phone setting. So friends, you can see this type of setting. Guys, click on guys this personal station setting. Guys, tap here and guys click on your font setting. Then guys scroll and guys you can see guys your font size. So as you can see guys the large size, and guys very large, medium, default and small size. Why we want to default, so we will click on default size and guys you can see your default size and guys apply option. Then guys your font size will default in your Oppo phone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font size in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.